Okay, we're gonna make the base for all chowders. You know, we have our cod racks, cod bones simmering down for the broth, and so I have some bacon in the pot. You know, we're rendering it down. I diced it up, and just gonna brown it up a little bit. You know, get it browned, and hello, Penny. This is my friend Penny from next door. Been my good neighbor next door at what is it? Companions?
Almost Family.
Almost Family.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we've been good neighbors, good friends since we moved in.
Yes.
Okay. We're making chowder.
Cool.
So here.
Make me up some.
Yeah, you bet. And so we'll dice up the onions. Okay. I don't know if I show you, but okay, just make a couple cuts, not all the way through. I hear that sizzle going from the bacon. I'll get it nice and brown. So you want to dice up the celery. What we'll do is go real quick to put a chowder together. Once you have good stock and just get everything cut. We got diced bell peppers. Probably don't use all of that. See what this bell pepper? Pull that out. I don't like to waste anything. A lot of people just cut the top off the pepper. I don't like to do that. I don't waste anything on the pepper. And this is another thing I hate. Right there, that sticker that they put on them. I don't know how many of those end up in food. Should be against the law. Okay. Okay, we got our bacon rendered down nice. Like to make sure everything's browned up real good. Take a little bit extra time if you have to. Make sure everything's cooked. Don't add your veg in too soon. So what I do is I just bring it right into a skillet. Okay. Nice color there, huh? That leeks. Gotta have good leeks. See that? That's the root vegetables. You gotta. That's really the magic to cooking, is cooking with nature. The wine, the herbs, the root vegetables. Okay. Then we got I cut up some leeks. The red onion. So I don't like to cook the vegetables too much ahead of time. I tend to add the potatoes in with everything else, because I like to identify the vegetables in there. I don't like them to melt into the soup. You know, put your potatoes in. I put a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay. I like to get everything cooking. Add it in. And then some more potatoes. I cut them on the smaller side, you know, instead of big chunks of potatoes, I like them kind of smaller. Smaller dice. Plus it cooks quicker. This really wants to. If you got your stock boiling, now you can put this chowder together in no time. Okay. So basically, just you know, get this going. Okay, here, I don't like it too thick, so I put like a little bit of flour, probably a spoon and a half. Mainly the potatoes are going to thicken this. I just added like enough flour to absorb some of that bacon fat that we had in there. So cook that for a little bit. I put a little bit of chopped garlic. And I like to cook it a while I have the flour in there.